How to automate document generation. One of the easiest ways to save time is to automate the generation of recurring documents. Let's go over some of the main actions that Zenphi has to ensure that you make the most out of the platform. Let's start with Google Slides. If you have a template for your Google Slides, you can easily generate Google Slides using a template that you have, as well as replace placeholders inside of a Google Slide. Whether these placeholders come from a Google form, for example, or maybe a Google Sheet, you can easily insert information into your slides to ensure that everything looks the same. We have those same actions, but for Google Doc, you can create a document using a template, whether that be a Google Doc, PDF, or HTML. You can also insert content into the document. You can insert tables, replace placeholders. For Google Sheets, we have many different actions, whether that be to add rows, remove them, export your spreadsheet, find a specific row, making it really simple to be able to automate the process of creating your spreadsheets. You can easily automate the process of adding watermarks to your documents, as well as filling out PDFs forms. Like mentioned previously, that information may come from a Google form that can be used as your trigger, and then you can easily enter that information into PDFs, maybe for contracts, for example, or NDAs. And then once you've generated your document, you may want to make sure that you keep it in a safe place. So we have many different actions for Google Drive as well, whether that be to share the file, move it to a specific folder, export it, etc. And remember that Zenphi organizes its actions by category, so you can easily find what you're looking for, whether that be an action for Google Workspace, or maybe something external like, for example, DocuSign, Dropbox, HubSpot, etc.